Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm Matt.
I'm Chris.
We're coming all the way through our new photography studio.
Yeah, it's exciting, isn't it?
It's not really finished yet though. We're still working on all that sort of stuff.
Well, it's getting there. It's usable because we're using it.
And we thought it'd be a good opportunity to start talking about lighting as we're in this space with some lights. And perhaps you're out there shooting some video, doing some photography, and you need a beginner's guide to how to set up your lights and what you can do with just one light.
Yes. We've got multiple lights here, but if you're shooting something in an office, just the addition of one light will massively help your videos. So I'm going to show that by turning off most of our lights and bringing in something else. So I'll turn off this one. Matthew, can you do some dancing?
I'm going to be doing some dancing or basic modelling. So if you need any dance tips, drop us a message below. I can teach you how to body pop.
Oh,
well, that's what not to do.
that's no lighting.
There we go.
Here we go.
It didn't break, so that's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Lesson number one, make sure your lights are hardy.
So this is just one light, and we're going to talk about placement of the light. So exactly, if you start putting a light down here, it's going to be very spooky.
Yeah, if you want to tell a spooky campfire story.
Yes, and it's the same if you're in an office environment, your lights are going to be a bit like this. So that's going to be a bit weird as well. So you want to try and get your lights reasonably flat onto your camera. I'll just turn it up a bit, here you go. And then Matthew will now look, yeah, look, double thumbs up, that's pretty good. Yep. You can also create a bit of drama by coming in from one side, but obviously if you're doing stuff for business, it's probably not going to be too appropriate to have a massive shadow on the other side of his face. So you just need to have a nice light source. These ones are really soft, and you can get a similar kind of light on Amazon for not much, and it'll make a massive difference to your videos.
Let's put a link somewhere down here. We like to talk about links, don't we? There you go. Here's a link to buy one of these lights, which are really great. We use these all of the time in both photography and video. They're good multi-purpose soft diffuse LED lights.
Yeah, and the other thing to watch out for, if you're shooting with a camera or mobile phone or whatever, you've got white balance issues. So this light can go from very warm to very cold. So it matches the background, but you need to just be aware of that and buy the appropriate light. I would always go for tungsten, which is sort of light bulby kind of thing, because it makes everyone look warm. I would just do that.
Yeah, we think as well, it's important to, if there are any other lights in the environment, you kind of want to match those lights closely as well, don't you? So if you've got
You do.
If you've got like loads of daylight coming in, I mean, it's best to try and control the lights as much as you can, but if you've got, you know, daylight, warm lights, and then another kind of bluey light over here, you'll get lots of mixtures of white and that.
Yeah, so I'm just going to put these back on the stands. I might even speed this bit up. So
we're going to go through the three tips to check for when you're doing lighting.
Yeah, so we talked about the placement. It just needs to give nice even light if you're doing talking to camera and you're doing vlogs and things.
And beware of shadows at that point, isn't it? So look at the main topic, which is probably going to be somebody's face if they're talking, and just check there are no weird shadows under the chin or on the side of the face, and it's as neutral as possible.
Yeah, and we'll show those the different types of light you can get from Amazon or whatever. We'll put a link down below. Some nice, easy, cheap light, which will make a massive difference. And the color temperature needs to be the same on your face as we spoke about. But here I've turned the lights in the background blue to make those fade away and add a bit of interest. You'll notice that.
Yeah, that's what you can do with multiple lights.
Yeah. So there you go. There's some simple tips on what you can do with one or multiple lights.
Are you right there, Chris? You're a bit out of breath after all that running around.
Yeah, I'm a bit hot now.
Go and have a lie down.
Oh, okay.
Go to the hammock room.
Oh, nice.